Hello YouTube and welcome to unboxing some games I bought out Cash Converters. So I got Guitar Hero Live. I got some Wii U games, and there's some PS3 by the way. I got some Wii U games here. This wasn't first, well. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. So I got Mass Effect 3 Special Edition, Sing Party, Disney Infinity 1, doesn't come with any of the figures or anything. Splinter Cell Blacklist, and Disney Infinity 2.0 on Wii U. Now, for PS2 I got Guitar Hero and The Sims Busting Out. And then I got a bundle here of Xbox and Xbox 360 games. Well, technically one Xbox game. Yeah. If you want to be pedantic. Because I had the Xbox and the Xbox 360 games just linked together on the same shelf. I'm like, they're not the same game. Not the same system, unless you can make sure that they play together on the same console. Don't. So, Tiger Woods PGA 06, Madden NFL 13, FIFA 07, and 2014 FIFA World Cup Brazil Champions Edition. So yeah, that is all the games I bought today at Cash Converters. Okay everyone, I'll see you all in my next video, which will be my channel update for tomorrow, for July. And then Thursday we start Final Fantasy 16. Okay everyone, bye!